Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BetterHelp detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the BetterHelp URL www.betterhelp.com. Press enter to navigate to the BetterHelp homepage. On the homepage, locate the login button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address you used to create your account. Make sure to check for any typos. Next, input your password. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. Once you have entered your email and password, click the login button. Wait a moment while your information is processed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. In case of an incorrect password, a message will appear. To resolve this, double-check your email and password. After logging in, you will have access to your BetterHelp account dashboard. From here, you can schedule sessions, communicate with your therapist, and manage your account settings. If you have any issues logging in, consider reaching out to BetterHelp support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.